Wix free website tutorial. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily set up our online website using Wix. So here we are on wix.com. Let's click on get started in the right top corner to start creating an account. We can create with email, or we can continue with Gmail or Facebook. In my case I'm going to use Gmail, as for me this is the easiest variant. So in a few seconds we'll create an account and we'll come to our home page. From this page here we can easily manage all the websites. We can move into trash, we can rename, duplicate, we can create a new folder to make the navigation easier. But let's click on create new site to start creating. And before all the things, we need to answer for some of the questions. What kind of website are you creating, and so on. So we can easily skip them in the right bottom corner, and after that we can easily do everything by ourselves. So the best way, as for me, is to skip, and after that we can easily do all the things. So here we are, everything is done. So start setting up your website. We can go to dashboard. I suggest you to click on begin with a template so we can easily select a template we are going to customize. Of course, we can easily create it from scratch by simply clicking on black templates and then just find something here. We can start from scratch or use some like blank templates. In my case, I'm going to customize the existing website, and as you can see, there are a lot of different templates we can easily use. There are like 73 pages we can easily use the templates from, and as you can see, we can also divide them into different like groups, like for example business and services, store, creative, community, blog, and in every single folder we can also like choose something we are going to use, for example food and drinks, and so on. So let's click on all templates and we'll try to find something which is suitable as for me. So I think this website is pretty good. I'm going to click on view, and as you can see it looks like this. The website is about some of like communicate, collaborate, and create, about maybe a startup or something like this. So let's work with this one. You can easily use any single website template you want. So as you can see, all the templates are responsive, and it's pretty cool because there's like the ability to use them from different devices. I think it's pretty cool. So let's click on edit this site, and in a few seconds we'll come to our editor, and it may take a little time. It depends on the server's capacity and so on. So let's wait for a little and we'll come to the editor. So yeah, it may take maybe 10 or 15 seconds, and here we are. This is our main page. From this page we can customize our template, we can add elements. As you can see, we can add different sections. It's like website blocks. We can manage pages and menu, we can manage all the site design, we can change the font packs like color palette and so on. We can add different apps, we can manage my business, media folder here, and content manager. So let's try to recognize how does it work. So as you can see, every single website contains from different sections. This section is right up here, this section is right up here, this section is right up here. So we can easily move section down, move section up, quick edit, for example change the background image, change the like text, some text here, and so on. Also there is like option to delete section if it's necessary, duplicate, cut, copy, and so on. So the steps are quite easy to manage, yeah, and as you can see it works like this. So in order to add section, we can just simply click on add section here, and we can find a lot of stuff you can add from the template. So welcome, about, team, contact section, promotion, services, subscribe, testimonials, and so on. So it's pretty cool. So let's add some team section here. I'm going to use this template, and as you can see it was successfully added. So we can easily move it down. I'm going to move it down to make it like at the end of the page. So now it looks like this. So I'm going also to delete this girl here. So let's click on a quick edit, scroll down to find, and I'm going to delete the third item. So let's click on delete. So now we only have like 2 guys in our team, and it looks like this. And in this case we can easily add every single section we want, so like store, bookings, events, and so on. Also I'd like to add the elements. So as you can see, there is also a huge library of different elements we can easily use text, image, button, strip, decorate, box, gallery, menu and anchors, contact and forms, video and music, interactive list, embeds, code, social, payments, and so on. So there are a lot of options. Let's try to add some button, maybe a button here, and they also provide us a lot of different templates. So I'm going to use this one here. So we can easily move it anywhere we need. So let's try to move it here in the top of the screen. And I'm going to click on it here. I'm going to change the text to subscribe. Let it be like this. And we can also add the link it will lead to. For example, it will lead to my page on the YouTube for people can easily subscribe to my channel. So in this case, it looks like this. Yeah. So in order to publish our website, everything is done and they provide us the opportunity to publish it. We can just simply click on publish, and then just we can connect our own domain, or we can use free domain with wixsite.com subdomain. So I'm going to click on save and continue. And in a few seconds, everything is done and our website was successfully published. And we can easily even, visit this website. So as you can see, we can click on view site, and now it's available on the internet. So you can easily send this link to somebody, and people can easily visit the website. So as you can see, the button is right up here. So everything is like saved and done. So let's go to our managing page. If you click on Wix in the left top corner, we'll come to our dashboard, and from this page we can easily manage all this stuff here. As you can see, in the left side there is like home page, activity, site and app, pricing plan, subscription, contacts, automation, marketing and SEO, analytics and reports, finances, and so on. So additional information could be managed from this stuff here. So as you can see, they provide us the opportunity even to save up to 50% for the paid plan. And if we try to discover them, we can find that there are a lot of cheap plans here. So as you can see, there is like VIP. As for us, it's like only $15 per month instead of 29 euros. Unlimited is like 8.50 instead of 17. So we can easily try Wix for free, and after that we can easily decide is it necessary as for us to upgrade the plan. As you can see, there is like some differences between VIP and unlimited in, like, for example, professional logo, social media logo files, also like in fields per form, lead capture form, video hours, storage space, and so on. So you can easily try it for free, and after that you can decide is it necessary as for you. So yeah, this is a way of how can we create free website on Wix. Hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.